Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add numbers to keyboard on Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Now, locate the Preferences option and tap on it. By default, the number row is turned off. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the Number Row option to turn it on instantly. This will always show the number row in QWERTY, Quartz, and AZERTY layouts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.